welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. I help women to achieve weight loss, tone faces, and maintain lifelong health. Today, I'm going to answer some important questions about face massage. Question 1. Does face massage really help with drooping eyes, reducing wrinkles, lifting face, and getting rid of puffiness? The answer is yes, but it provides more of the short-term solution. Why does it work? Well, on the face, there are 12 primary meridians corresponding to internal organs. There are also about 50 to 70 acupoints on the face and head, which are connected to our organs. If those meridians and acupoints are blocked, blood circulations and energy flow can be impacted, which will lead to skin issues. The basic principle behind the facial massage is to unblock those pathways, creating a conducive environment for the circulation within our body. This boosts energy flow, improves blood circulation, stimulates collagen production, and exercises the muscles. By detecting acupoints, we can also uncover potential health issues in our body. Essentially, face massage creates a healthy environment for our skin. You will notice a visible effect in the short term, but for long-term maintenance, we need to focus on personal wellness. If you don't understand your body's unique needs, face massage could be risky. Without this knowledge, frequent facial massage may lead to sagging skin or wrinkles. Why is that? Because when we watch the face massage tutorials, it's like a one-size-fits-all approach. But your body and your skin are unique. This is why what works for one person might not work for another. In conclusion, facial massage is a great natural method for skincare and toning. However, for long-term results, it needs to be combined with at least 3 other aspects. 1. Diet, 2. Exercise, and 3. Mental and spiritual well-being. Question 2. What kind of massage tools should I use? The best tool is, of course, our fingers. If you want to know why, please check out this link to watch this video. Other useful tools include gua sha tools such as gua sha board and massage combs and meridian stick. Question 3. What kind of oil or serum should I use for facial massage? We usually opt for light and gentle massage oils such as carrier oils that work well for most skin types. For example, jojoba oil and rosehip oil are excellent choices. For oily skin, grapeseed oil is a great option. You can also use serums containing hyaluronic acid or vitamin C instead of oils. However, remember that everyone's skin is different. Well, those oils are common and effective. The best choice for you is something you will need to discover through trial. For me, I tried over 10 different oils and found that jojoba oil works best for my skin. I also use rosehip oil, but be mindful that some brands' rosehip oils are quite yellow. While they won't stain your face, they may leave your skin looking yellow after a massage. But it typically returns normal by the next day. One of the main benefits I have found with rosehip oil is that it helped to clear the melia on my eyelids. You can also add essential oils for extra benefits. Many essential oils are rich in antioxidants such as damask rose essential oil, geranium oil, frankincense, and myrrh. I like using frankincense and myrrh during the day and lavender at night. Again, there is no one-size-fits-all product. You need to listen to your body, communicate with your skin, and test. Question number 4. What is the appropriate pressure for facial massage? To answer this question, you need to understand the proper techniques for facial massage. I haven't seen anybody talk about this on social media. It seems like they show us how to do it without telling the correct steps. First, before doing the facial massage, it's essential to learn about the facial acupoints and meridian maps. You need to understand what's beneath the skin on your face. Second, you should learn to detect any potential health issues within your body. Without this step, you won't be addressing the root causes. Third, after detection, if you found that some areas are extremely painful, you shouldn't massage those directly. Instead, you should first soothe those areas. You will also identify health concerns by learning reflexology. If you don't feel intense pain in any areas, you are lucky. You can begin your massage. Now, let's talk about pressure. When massaging along the meridians, there are two possible situations. One is a mild pain at certain acupoints, and the other is no pain at all. If you feel a little pain, press as gentle as you can tolerate. You can massage every day, but for no more than 20 minutes at a time. Gradually, you will find that the pain decreases or disappears. If there's no pain, you can press a bit harder, similar to how you would with a body massage, to relax your muscles and meridians. You don't need to massage every day, but if it feels comfortable or effective, you can. Just remember, no more than 20 minutes. In conclusion, the pressure should vary based on your comfort and tolerance. Massage as gentle as possible, applying pressure that you can comfortably accept. Question 5. How often should I massage my face and how long should each session be? You can do facial massage every day, but no longer than 20 minutes per session. Once a day is sufficient, but you can break it into two short sessions, 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and another 5 to 10 minutes in the evening. Question 6. Is facial massage suitable for everyone? No. Facial massage and face yoga are not suitable for everyone. If you have a thin or sensitive skin, acne, rosacea, eczema, or psoriasis, facial massage may worsen the conditions. If you don't understand the acupoints and meridians, frequent facial massage could lead to sagging skin or wrinkles. And without knowing your personal wellness code, it's hard to find the most effective technique for you. Ultimately, both facial massage and face yoga should be tailored to each individual. There's no one-size-fits-all method. Alright, I hope this helped clear up some of the common questions about facial massage. Let me know if you have more questions or need further guidance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.